Have you ever selected the hatch command in AutoCAD and suddenly the program becomes extremely slow, freezes for several seconds, stops responding completely, or even crashes? This is one of the most common AutoCAD performance issues, especially in large drawings. Hatch operations require AutoCAD to analyze boundaries, calculate enclosed areas, and generate pattern geometry, so even a small problem in the drawing can cause significant delays. The good news is that most hatch-related freezing problems can be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to identify the cause and get hatches working smoothly again, even if you are completely new to AutoCAD. The first thing to understand is that AutoCAD must find a closed boundary before it can create a hatch. If the boundary contains tiny gaps, overlapping lines, duplicate objects, or broken geometry, AutoCAD may spend a long time searching for a valid area. Start by zooming into the boundary you want to hatch and carefully inspect all corners and intersections. What appears closed at a normal zoom level may actually contain small gaps that prevent AutoCAD from identifying the area correctly. A useful tool for checking boundaries is the boundary command. Type boundary and press enter. Click inside the area you want to hatch. If AutoCAD cannot generate a boundary object, there is likely a gap or geometry issue that needs to be fixed. Use the extend, trim, fillet, or join commands to close any openings. Once the boundary can be created successfully, hatching usually works much faster. Another common cause of freezing is excessive geometry. If your drawing contains thousands of lines, blocks, imported PDFs, survey data, or detailed architectural plans, AutoCAD must examine all nearby objects when searching for hatch boundaries. Try isolating the area you want to hatch. Use LISO to temporarily isolate relevant layers or hide unnecessary objects. Reducing the amount of geometry AutoCAD must process can significantly improve hatch performance. Another important setting is the Hatch Preview feature. Type HP Quick Preview and press Enter. If the value is set to 1, AutoCAD displays a live preview while you move the cursor. In complex drawings, this can cause lag or freezing. Try setting HP Quick Preview to 0 temporarily and test the hatch operation again. Disabling preview often improves responsiveness in large projects. Corrupt drawing data can also interfere with hatch creation. Type Audit and press Enter. When prompted, type Y to fix errors. After the audit completes, type Purge and remove unused objects. Repeat the purge process until nothing more can be removed. Drawing corruption and excessive unused data can contribute to hatch-related performance problems. If the issue occurs only in a specific drawing, try creating a fresh file using WBlock. Type WBlock, select Entire Drawing, and save it as a new WGG file. Open the new file and test the hatch command again. This process often removes hidden corruption that standard repair commands cannot fully eliminate. Graphics performance can also play a role. Type Graphics Config and press Enter. Ensure hardware acceleration is enabled if your graphics card supports it. If the problem started after a driver update, updating or reinstalling your graphics driver may help. Sometimes graphics-related issues affect hatch previews and display regeneration. For drawings imported from PDFs, GIS software, or other CAD applications, use Overkill to remove duplicate geometry. Imported files often contain thousands of overlapping objects that make hatch boundary detection much slower than normal. Cleaning the geometry can dramatically improve performance. So, to summarize, if AutoCAD freezes when creating a hatch, first check for gaps in the boundary, test the area with the boundary command, simplify nearby geometry, increase hatch scale, try a simpler hatch pattern, disable hatch preview, run audit and purge, remove duplicate objects with Overkill, and use WBlock if corruption is suspected. Following these steps will solve most hatch-related freezing problems and restore smooth performance. I hope this tutorial helped you fix AutoCAD freezing when trying to hatch. If you found this guide useful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AutoCAD troubleshooting tutorials, productivity tips, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.